Hi guys, Terry here. It's a sunny day in Columbus, Ohio, and I got something in the mail today and I wanted to show you. And I also got my Razcog together. You can see that they call it a green-gray, but I think of it as kind of almost a forest green. But I can see why they call it a gray color. It's kind of grayish, but I love it. And I wanted to show you what came in the mail. I got my order from Close to My Heart. I got an email from a Close to My Heart representative here in town. And I saw that they had something really fun. So let's open it up and I'll show you what I got. So this kit was it was a Slimline, which I said that I was not going to get into making Slimline cards. But this kit looked so amazing. I'll show you the dies that came with it. Also got my new catalog, so I'll have to flip through these. So if you're not familiar with Close to My Heart, they make a lot of card making and scrapbooking stuff. Their stamps are all the clear acrylic polymer stamps, and they come in a case like this, so it's nice to store them just in a case that holds I think it's about 6 inches across. But look at these gnomes. I thought the gnomes were adorable, and then I thought the sentiments were beautiful. A little bit older and a lot more fabulous. I love cards that go across, or sayings that go across the card like that, with the swooshes on the front and the end there. So I just thought that font was adorable. Here's a little fishy one. Thinking of you. Hugs and fishes swimming by to say hello and thanks and thinking of you. So I thought that was cute. And then these little critters. I can't resist the little critters. This is called Thoughtful Critters. I'll have links to everything on my website. But aren't those cute? But what really got me was these two Slimline dies. Aren't those cute? So it fits a business size envelope when you make a card, and this goes right across it. You could cut this out with one color and then cut it out of different colors and put that different pattern paper inside them. The bubbles is so cute with that fish set. And then they just did the stamps and colored them and then kind of just scattered them down the card front. I just thought these were both so, multi-use. So I thought these were a really good deal. And then the kit, you could get them separately, but if you got the kit, it came with the envelopes, I think for, it was 8 or 12 cards to look on the thing. And then this is the Slimline. So they're just a tall, skinny card, and you can see where if you cut those dies out, they would fit on here perfectly. So I thought that was nice that it came with the card bases and the envelopes. It included some little gems. I could see these coming up from the little fishies. Aren't those pretty? Sparkles, clear sparkles they call them. And then it came with cardstock too, to cut out your shapes and stamp your critters on. So just a really good variety of colors. Just a little every color in the rainbow. and then a few sheets of white to stamp the critters on. Let me find the kit in the book and show you that. This is what caught my attention in the email. I thought these were so cute. I just thought it was so versatile, because you can imagine cutting these bubbles or cutting the stars. You could use any of your stamp sets to decorate it and put a sentiment on it. It looks like the fish is holding the sign. Here's the sentiment with the gnome, the squirrel. Just too cute. There's the sentiments. Better picture of the stamp sets. I just thought it was so cute. So the whole set was $147. And then, like I said, they've got, it's not just for cards. Their stuff is made for, on scrapbook pages too. Oh, there's a cute Christmas one. See, now I'm going to start getting into the slimline shape of the cards. It's just cute because it's something new and unique. But there's a cute scrapbook layout. They have really, oh, there's a, isn't that pretty? It almost looks like you could fit more on the card when it's slim like that. But their papers are beautiful. I've always liked their paper sets. That's some of their Christmas stuff. Getting more ready for fall. The temperatures are getting more cooled off. But yeah, their paper sets are beautiful. This is the Christmas fall catalog. And then this is their annual. But their paper sets are just beautiful. So, if you can get your hands on a catalog, it's handy to, such a good idea book. So I'll have links, like I said, on my website to these products. And then when I make some cards with this, I'll make a video too. But I just thought these two dies, like I said, you could buy these separately, use stamp sets that you have. I'll have the dimensions of the Slimline cards when I get a little bit more practice under my belt with them. But they do fit in a business size envelope. And I think they're really cute. So thanks for watching. My next video will be about my Stampin' Up! Order that comes later in the week. So I will talk to you guys later. Subscribe if you haven't. It really helps me out. And thank you for watching. Bye, guys.